So this is Juneau, Alaska. Got a double-decker bus out
They got a
here.
double decker?
Uh-huh. It looks like it. Oh, it is. Somebody on top of it.
That's cool.
Out there, the
And thus,
clouds
the
on the mountains.
cycle is able to continue and the fish hatchery is able to continue to release.
Look at that glacier, Mendenhall Glacier.
Wow.
Yes, welcome to the Mendenhall. Okay, this is where we are. Okay, there's a little Christmas tree. So what's some little hummingbirds on the tree? I don't know where it went, but I was trying to get it. Yeah, it took it probably about a half hour to get here. It was a long trail. The Nugget Trail. So this should be a little high up. All the way around the mountain. Yes. This is the view. Yes. And I'm gonna give you a little peek behind the thing there, see if you can see the glacier. You can see a little peek of the glacier as well. So as you can see, it is a little pooch out there living his best life. Living his best life in these waters out here in Juneau, Alaska. Yes. Juneau, Alaska, y'all. Okay. I see. What did you write? AAIC. AAI. Oh, yeah. Got you. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the inside of the visitor center. You can see an amazing view from inside.
Right there.
And I discussed briefly about the importance
There's
of
a
the
bald
mountain. That's
eagle.
all we should find gold. There's so much rock out of the mountain that those mine tailings.
It was in downtown Juneau, Alaska. Right behind me, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. You can see that's their library. And yeah, so just seeing what we have in Juneau.
Reporting live from Juneau, Alaska, with the two bloggers, and we are now at Tracy King's Crab Shack, the infamous Tracy King's Crab Shack. Take it away, Mrs. Brown, aka TB's Life. Huh? The place is packed.
Hi, had a great time in Juneau, especially at the Mendenhall Glacier. So I just want to end the video by saying thanks so much for watching, and Please hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already. Have a good one.